Hi guys, and we have a snack here. I mean lunch.
Oh, yeah.
But I made some lasagna with my mom. It looks so good right now. You guys have to see this.
I wish they could smell it.
Yeah, you guys. I wish you guys could smell this. Literally, look at that. It's beautiful. Let's take a bite.
What is this?
Peace chair.
I don't want the piece.
તો પછી હું રેડ સોસ નાખીશ. They are so sweet.
No, I don't want
Same.
this. No, I don't want.
Okay, nobody will try this piece and make
That
two
is
muscles.
so good, but very
Straight.
hot.
No. You have to chew it.
Here, take a bite.
I don't like it.
You're welcome.
Get them out of my.
Okay, no, you can. They will not come in your mouth even. You just take the pasta.
Vegetarian, no meat.
Hello guys, I got the spencer. So good. Let's try it. It's so good.